The deadline for Governor Greg Abbott to sign or veto bills is quickly approaching, and the state's top leader is making good on threats to veto legislation over property tax relief. Governor Abbott has vetoed 26 bills so far and said Wednesday he will veto more. In all but 2 of the veto statements, he writes the reason is because lawmakers should focus on property taxes. Take a look at this. This is the veto statement for Senate Bill 1080, which would have created a mitigation program for the Lost Pines Groundwater Conservation District, so nothing to do with property taxes. Abbott writes, while creating a plan is important, it's, quote, simply not as important as cutting property taxes. For this bill and the 23 others with statements like these, the governor says lawmakers can reconsider the legislation in a future special session after property tax relief is passed. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick slammed the governor for the vetoes during a news conference in Dallas yesterday.
It's not a very good image to veto bills for no reason other than he didn't get the property tax bill he wants.
The Senate and House are still at an impasse over how to deliver property tax relief to Texans. Both chambers put about $17.6 billion towards relief. The House-approved plan, which the governor is backing, uses all of that money to lower the school maintenance and operation tax rate. It would save the average Texas homeowner about $700 a year on their tax bill. The Senate-approved plan uses 70% of that $17.6 billion to lower school tax rates and takes the other 30% and increases the homestead exemption to $100,000. That's expected to save the average Texas homeowner between $1,200 and $1,400 on their tax bill. Patrick says Speaker of the House Dave Phelan has not been willing to negotiate, putting some 200 Senate bills at risk of being vetoed by Sunday.